Andrim shah andar the nebrim shah nebar. There are many occasions in life when we get shell shocked at a given moment or a situation. While being in that moment of shock, it is quite natural for one to feel lack of air in terms of breathing. And while witnessing such a sight and later on making a reference to this situation or a person who was shocked, elders would say, Andrim Shah Rudus Andar, the Nebrim Shah Never. This proverb is used as an expression to express the extent of shock or surprise, which in majority of the cases is a negative surprise, and the ability of the person to breathe in that situation. It signifies that a person became breathless because of the situation. As it is, it means the air did not move in or out. Fresh air stayed out and the stale one remained inside the lungs. In this proverb, andar means inside, andrim means inner or internal, t means and, nebar means outside, nebrim means outside or external, and shah means air or breath. Andrim shah andar, t nebrim shah nebar.